Okay, tomorrow we're going to work on multiplying polynomials. All right, and you have more than one term in the first set of parentheses. So you can use the area model like we've done all going through elementary school and middle school, or we can use the acronym FULL to give us directions on what to multiply. F stands for first term, O stands for outer terms, I stands for inner terms, and L stands for last terms. So first, let's go back and let's remember the area model. The area model, you're going to find the area of each box in this shape. So place the terms on the sides of the area model. So let's take our first term, B, and we'll put B by the first box and 4 by the second box. And then the second one we're going to take and multiply, put it on the top. So we'll put 2B above the first box and 5 above the second box. And we want to find the area of each of those boxes. So to find the area of this rectangle here, we have to multiply length times width, which would be B times 2B, which would be 2B squared. Then we want to multiply and find the area of another box. So if we multiply and find the area of this rectangle is B times 5, which would be 5B. Then we want to find the area of the third box, which is going to be here. So again, we got to multiply base times height. So 2B times 4 is 8B. And then finally, let's find the area of the last box, which is here. Again, length times width. So 5 times 4 is 20. So we found the area of each box. Now all we've got left to do is combine our like terms. So we have 2B squared in the first box, positive 5B in the second box, positive 8B in the third box, and positive 20 in the last box. And to combine like terms, these are our only like terms. So if we add positive 5 and positive 8, that's going to give me 13B. Those are the only like terms. So let's bring down everything else. So my answer is 2B squared plus 13B plus 20. And that's how you use the area model. Now you can use the area model if you want to, or you can use the full method. Alright, so the full method wants you to circle the first term. Well, my first term is B. And then it wants me to draw arrows from the circled term to each of the second. So if I go from the circled B to the first term in the second one, that's multiplying my first terms, that will give me 2B squared. Now, if I go back, I've also got to multiply my first term B times the second term, which is 5. Those are my outer terms. That would be positive 5B. Now I've multiplied everything in the second set of parentheses. So I need to go to the second term. My second term is positive 4. So I'm going to multiply positive 4 times 2B. Those are my inner terms. That would be 8B. And then finally I've got to multiply the 4 times the second term in that parentheses is 5. Those are my last terms. That gives me 20. So again, I want to combine my like terms. These are my like terms. So 2B squared does not have a like term. 2B squared. If I combine my like terms, positive 5 and positive 8, that gives me 13B. And then bring down my positive 20 because it has no like terms. So today you can use either method. We're going to practice both and learn how to multiply polynomials.